In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can check for and install new versions of Microsoft Excel, as well as see what changes the most recent versions installed had, or even disable new versions from being updated if you want a more stable version of your Excel. So to do this, you can go to File, and then from here, you're going to want to go down to Account. And then from here, you will see a box for Microsoft 365 and Office updates. And from here, you can click on the drop-down menu and click on Update Now, which will automatically check for and update your Excel, which is great if you're heard of a new function coming out, for example. You can disable updates, so if you want to have a little bit tighter security on your workbooks and maybe increase performance and reliability, if you're concerned about your Excel breaking with new updates, for example, you can disable updates. You can view updates, so see the most recent updates that have been installed, and also learn more about recent updates by clicking here. And this is great to know because sometimes Excel will, for example, release a new function and you want to go through and make sure that you have the latest version of Excel. So you can use that function, but other times a new version might break something in Excel. So preventing new versions from being downloaded can make your life a bit better. And as you can see, there's a lot of different versions. Some of them aren't necessarily huge, but it's helpful to kind of understand what the version entails. For example, this new version from January 21st, which is a couple days ago, fixes functionality and performance, miscellaneous fixes, for example. Security updates in January 13th. And to note, this is relevant to not just Excel, but Microsoft as a whole. So I said, I hope you found this really helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.